welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Caio. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a blackened Cajun salmon with a side of asparagus. So with no further ado, I'm going to show you the ingredients, then we'll get to cooking. So first I have olive oil, sun-dried tomato pesto, lime juice, ginger paste, garlic paste, my Cajun fish seasoning, salt, pepper, of course, my salmon, and my asparagus. So let's get to cooking. So first I'm gonna get my ginger and squirt it across. Then I'll do the same with my garlic. Ooh. And then I'll get my sun-dried tomato pesto. And I'll just spread it across with my little brush. Now that you spread it out nice and evenly, get a little bit of lime juice and just do a couple little drops. It's okay. And perfect. And just squirt it across like that. It works. Get your blackened fish seasoning. This is the important one. And don't be shy on this. Then I'll spread it across again so the spice is evenly spread. I don't need to add pepper to this because the seasoning has that. So I'll add the pepper to my asparagus. Then I'll add salt to both of them. Then I'll put it in the oven. For 15 minutes, and it'll be done. So now I'm just gonna turn on the oven to 350 degrees and turn it on. Then I'm just gonna stick in the fish. And in 15 minutes, it'll be ready, and the asparagus will be nice and crunchy. It's not gonna be too crunchy, but it'll be good. It's been 15 minutes, and as planned, the fish and the asparagus are ready. So I'm going to take it out, and remember, be careful. Don't just take it out with your bare hands, because it's hot. And my fish is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe, and if there's any recipes you want me to try, leave it down in the comment section. See you next time, Cooking with Caio.